Nicely done. Warning, squeaking continue. There she goes, Cruella. There you go. Asked Cruella as she hurried along. There are no spots. All the spots are gone. And none of you had allowed their spots to come till later with this answer.
Put them in a bag. I'll take them with me now.
What? They were just...
No, but keep trying.
But Cruella, the puppies have to be with their mother for several weeks. They're not ready to leave. Fine, put the little brutes on reserve for me. How much would you like?
They're not for sale.
You've come into some money, have you? Did you design some silly game that will drive the delinquent kiddies into frenzies of video delight?
As a matter of fact...
This is Mariah Goodwin, the movie alternate. And ethnically correct, the movie alternate.
Possibly afford you.
So close.
I'll pay you twice what they're worth. Come now. I'm being more than jealous. £500. £7,500. £2 you dispute.
Look what you've done with 15 puppies.
Irrelevant it is. You can't have any because they're not for sale.
I'm getting very tired of you, Roland.
Roger.
What is there in that house? Stand over John's dead body.
Thunder rumbles. Shouting, screaming continue. Screamed Cruella as she hurried along. That was too fast. There you go. That's better, isn't it? Holy cricket! It was 90! And my granger, and it was... You've done it. You've definitely done it. You've really done it, Harry. You've definitely disappointed me, as I thought. Maybe you haven't disappointed us all as I thought. Said Nanny as she hurried along.
I'm in the living room.
Jean hurried along. You've read that, have you?
You see what I've got for you in this bag.
That wraps up this part. It's just the same time.
911, what is the address of the emergency?
That's all. Thank you.